Ever since Brinkley RV showed up on the scene, it was pretty obvious this brand was doing things a little differently. People noticed, demand exploded, and suddenly everyone wanted in. The problem was that not everyone had a tow vehicle capable of handling Brinkley's bigger, heavier rigs. Instead of ignoring that crowd, Brinkley leaned into it and created the Ix lineup, a pair of travel trailers designed to be lighter, more accessible, and still packed with the kind of quality the brand is known for. That brings us to the iX20X, the lighter sibling in the family, and, honestly, the one that's likely to steal the spotlight. While the 23X has already made the rounds, the 20X hits a sweet spot for a lot of folks. It comes in with a GVWR of 7,395 pounds, just 100 pounds lighter than the 23X, and rides on dual 3,500-pound axles. That difference might sound small on paper, but for many tow setups, it matters. Price-wise, Brinkley lists the 20X at just under $57,000. Now, as always, real-world dealer pricing may land a bit lower if you're willing to talk it out, though Brinkley rigs tend to hold their value and don't usually see massive discounts. Still, considering the build and features, it's easy to see where that money is going. From the outside, the 20X already feels solid and purposeful. The entire body is wrapped in aluminum, laminated and painted, with serious insulation throughout. You're looking at R40 in the floor and ceiling, R9 in the walls and caps, plus Azdel backing and a fully enclosed heated underbelly. That alone tells you this trailer isn't just meant for fair weather weekends. Exterior features are practical but well thought out. The LED lighting sets a cozy mood at night, the awning covers the big windows on the campsite side, and there's a roof ladder that gives you access to the standard 200 watts of solar, the AC unit, vents, and anything else that needs attention up top. With the AC installed, overall height sits just under 11 feet, and length comes in just shy of 24 feet. There's also a slide out on the driver's side, and while it only holds the theater seating or optional trifold sofa, it makes a noticeable difference once you're inside. Stepping through the door, the first thing you notice is the front living space, which also doubles as the bedroom thanks to a Murphy bed setup. The cabinetry up here is impressive, and dropping the bed down turns the space into a proper sleeping area in seconds. This layout really makes the 20 by ideal for couples, though adding the trifold sofa opens things up for a small family and allows up to 4 people to sleep inside. Moving back, the galley stretches along the left side and feels more residential than you might expect in a trailer this size. One of the clever touches is the section under the TV near the door, which pulls out to reveal a dining table. Slide it out, add a couple of chairs, and you've got a comfortable spot for meals without permanently giving up floor space. At the rear, the bathroom really stands out. It's tucked into the left corner and feels surprisingly refined, from the layout of the toilet to the vanity cutout that gives you extra legroom. The one-piece shower is clean and modern, topped off with a rainfall shower head that adds a touch of luxury. Taller folks might notice headroom is a bit tight around the vent, but Brinkley clearly anticipated that and tapered the edges to make it more usable. One of the coolest things about the 20X is how functional it remains while traveling. Even with the slide-out closed, nearly everything is accessible. You can use the kitchen, the bathroom, the dinette, and the seating area. The only thing off-limits in road mode is the Murphy bed, which is a small trade-off. Being able to pull over, grab a bite, or relax for a bit without opening the slide is a huge win for long trips. At the end of the day, the iX20X feels like Brinkley's answer to everyone who loved the brand but thought it was just out of reach. It's lighter, more versatile, and still loaded with thoughtful design. If you're even remotely interested, seeing one in person is the best way to get it. Bring your partner, bring the kids if you're eyeing that trifold sofa, and check it out for yourself. It doesn't take long to see why so many people are excited about what Brinkley is doing.